No, where did my neck go? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Jay Lee. I'm coming to y'all with, this time it is something different, something I ain't done before. So y'all tell me what y'all think. This is a wig tutorial. I am coming in this video and I'm going to show y'all how to apply a wig over some black braids. Because I braid my hair up all the time and I love still wearing wigs, but I don't want to take these out and I don't want to wear wigs all the time. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to make a video about the process of how to do it. I am going to be using some hair from Adaya Hair. This is the packaging. It is their Water Wave wig in 12 inches. I didn't want something too long. This hair is beautiful, y'all. I did do a review on this hair. So I'm going to put it up here somewhere. And I'm going to also leave the link down in the hot box. So once y'all finish watching this video, go watch that one. And I'll leave the link as well to the wig in the description box as well. But this wig is beautiful. For this video, you will need your unit. And this is my unit here. It is beautiful, y'all. It's beautiful. Like, it is really beautiful. And it's thick. Look at it. Look at these curls. It's thick. So, that's my unit. You are going to need some hairspray. I have the Got to Be Glued hairspray here. But I also have the Fructis Sleek and Shine Humidity Spray. I like both of those. Today I'm going to try something different. It's the Esha Lace Bonding Glue. I wanted to try this, so I'm trying that as well. I have my foam and setting spray because that is a water wave wig. I have my spray bottle with my water in it. I have my combs and my clips and things like that. And I also have a little brush. I have my alcohol. And I have my cotton rounds. So those are some of the items you're going to need, as well as you're going to need some scissors to cut that lace off if it's not already cut off. So first, I have pre-braided most of my hair, so you guys don't have to watch me do that. But I am going to go ahead and braid this braid back. And what I normally do is make sure it's as flat as possible in the front, so I don't braid it as tight because it can make your scalp sore. Because I did that yesterday when I was going to put this wig on. I braided it entirely too tight and it hurt. And you just want to make sure that your braids are flat. And make sure you don't pull them too tight. Next, you are going to want to comb your edges back as much as possible. Make sure that you've actually greased and oiled your hair. I did mine yesterday, so that's not something I have to do now. If I hadn't, I would just put some oil in there. I do spray my edges down just a little bit. And I make sure I comb them back. Just so they are out of the way and they are not stuck under the glue. Okay, so What I normally do is I make sure I clean my forehead with alcohol. I just put a little bit of alcohol on a cotton round. I just got some from Dollar Tree, y'all, nothing spectacular. And I make sure I get all the oil out of my forehead off. When I do have braids in my hair, I do not use a stocking cap. I use a net. And that's because it gives a little more stretch. And this is something you can use when you have dreads or locks or something like that as well. And what I normally do is I take the hair and I just start tucking it in braids in the back. And make sure that they're laying as flat as possible. I take the ones that are braided down on this side and push them over to, you crisscross them to make them go to the opposite side of your head. And you want them to lay as flat as possible once again. So yeah, this is what we do here. And I in turn take the stocking, the net, and I put it on my head like this. Okay, so once you get your head under the cap, your edges are clean, go ahead and try the wig on. Get it fitted to your head and see what you work. And at this point, I'm actually measuring where my hair actually stops on this wig because I want it to be very, very snug and secure. Next, I am going to go in and cut the lace off to my liking once I've measured it out where I want it to go. Okay, once you cut your lace off, measure the wig once again on your head. You want to not make it necessarily ever so straight because nobody's hairline is really like very, very straight. So I personally go in a zigzag motion. Now, as you can see, this is actually on my head. It is not glued down, but I could actually leave it like this and just like tack it down and it would be okay because it's really, really snug right now to my head. But if you look at it, it looks really, really good. Like, the lace looks really, really natural, and I put no color on it, no nothing. You know what I mean? I would pluck this hairline because it is really, really thick. So for me, what I do when I install my unit is I take hair clips and I pull the hair back as much as I possibly can. So we're going to clip all that hair back. We're going to pull the wig and see exactly, you get your wig placement as good as you want and as snug as you want it. So this is where I want mine so it can look natural. So I like to just put a couple of dots where I want the hair to be. And then we just play connected dots. I'm going to pull it back just a pinch. And as you can tell, I put little black marks. I got about 4 of them. And I am going to, at this point, spray my hairline just a little bit with the got to be glued. Hairspray. We're going to use a little bit of that. So we're going to be using the Esha, I think that's what it's called, because I wanted to try it, so I got a little one. The Esha Lace Bond, Absolute Lace Bond, Lace Glue. It says it's water resistant. We are not going to try that out, y'all. But, this, it says I just added thin layer to my hairline right in front of it. And I literally apply it immediately. I don't wait for it to get tacky or anything because I had to read the directions. So what we're going to do is we are going to start at the center. I'm sorry if y'all couldn't see. I was really trying to get this out because it really was not that much in this farting tootin' container. So next I'm going to take it and just spread this out just a little bit so it's not so thick. Okay, so it said not to let it get tacky. It said literally place your wig. So I'm going to start from the center and place my wig down. Okay, so I got that tied down. Now I am going to, I guess, wet the hair. So first I'm gonna go and spray it just with a little bit of water. Mist it with some water. So that way I ain't gotta put so much product in it. Oh man, this looks good just with some water, y'all. Next, I'm just gonna take some satin lotion. Just to define the curls a little bit more. Welcome back. So, I did install this unit. Guys, I am so in love. I actually had to stop recording. My battery died. So, I actually didn't get to finish even recording the install. The only thing that was left out of this video was that I did add a little powder foundation to the front hairline where the part is. Besides that, everything else was captured in the video. If you have any additional questions, please comment them down below. Please make sure that you follow me on all other social media outlets. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And if you haven't subscribed, do that for your girl. And check out another video while you're here. Thank you so much for watching and seeing you in the next one.